Hey everybody, it's Nick Boyles here, Mobile Marketers, and today we're talking about Forsage, my favorite opportunity, one that's doing the best for me. And I'm going to work on opening up my first slot in the xGOLD contract. This is a smaller account. I'm just now starting to grow here. So, like I said, xGOLD is a brand new contract. It came out on the 3rd of January. It's now the 15th. So it's just like the one over in the Tron contract, but this time it's on Ethereum, far more lucrative. Whenever you open up a slot and fill it up in cycle, you get 10 times return on each slot. So for example, on the first slot, 0.05 will get you a half of Ethereum back, zero point 0.5. So that's pretty effing awesome. So I'm going to try to get signed up on one of these, and we're going to talk about gas fees and ways to lower them. Because right now, in the world we live in, DeFi is exploding. Ethereum is popular. Gas fees are high. There's not much you can do about it. You can come at different times of day. The prices go up, they go down. Sometimes they're crazy, sometimes they're normal. This is not Forsage's fault. This is the different vendor apps and how they interact with Ethereum blockchain and the miners. Now, ETH 2.0 has been rolled out, and they're working on getting the layers set up and switch over to the proof of work. So that's coming in the near future, and this will alleviate the gas fees, but right now we have to live with it. So let's see what kind of gas fee I'm going to get in a moment. By the way, gas fee is basically a network fee, cost to use the network. Okay. All right, so let's hit on activate. See MetaMask pop up. And right now we got a $43 gas fee for my 58 transaction for 101 total. So I'm $4 short currently at the moment because of the gas fee. So we're going to reject that, and we're going to try to do this a manual way and see if we can lower this anyway. All right. Yeah, I got a little error there. Get out of the way. So we're going to try to do this manually. I'm going to get the contract address for xGOLD. So we're going to click here. Now I'm going to take this, copy the address right here, and we're going to go back to MetaMask. We're going to do send. We're going to do a manual here. Going to paste that in there. All right, we're going to type how much we want to send. So 0.05, that's what we want to do to interact with it. We'll go to advanced options, and we're going to play with the gas limit. Now, when you're doing these, we're going to do 500,000 right here, okay? Now, it's not going to use that much. It's probably going to use 50% of that. We're putting this out there as a buffer to make sure the completion, the transaction will complete. So let's go ahead and hit save. Okay, we got everything going there. So we brought the fee down to 34, which is a lot better. Speaking of this fees, everyone's probably crying like, hey, the slot costs 58 currently, and the fee is 34. It's almost as much as the slot. Okay, you got to have a business mindset here. Okay, yes, it does suck to pay this fee, but when you buy this slot, you buy it for life. It's an investment. So when you get people to sign up, I told you this 0.05 slot, this $58 slot can return a half of Ethereum. And what is Ethereum? What, 1,100, 1,200 a month? It can bring you back 600 bucks every time it cycles for life. So $60 for 600, and you got to spend a little fee. That's a no-brainer for me at the moment. So, you know, it's how people think. You got to be in different mindsets. So, got to take risks. Got to have money to make money is the old adage. All right, so let's go ahead and hit next. All right, let's hit confirm, and let's see if this completes or not. Now, sometimes it's quick. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes. Sometimes it takes, oh, no, see, that was quick. And let's go ahead and let's check out the interaction. Let's see how much gas it actually ended up using. All right, let's go look at on Etherscan. Ended up using $24 in gas fees. So I saved $10 by doing this manual method. I saved 20 overall, when we first started. If I would have hit the shopping cart and did none of the manual work, we would have spent 44 in gas. So I knocked $20 out the gas fee by doing this little trick I showed you guys. So 24 still sucks, but not too bad. A lot better than 44. So let's go back here. Everyone's gonna say, well, your slot's not activated yet. it will eventually will sync up. I'm gonna try to hit refresh here and see what we can do. Booted me out. Let me log back in. 8922. Let's sign this. All right, as you see, I have an xGOLD slot open. Yeah, finally. So let me give you a little bit what it looks like. So let's click on here. As you see right here, this is my ID number. This is my upline sponsor. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30 slots here to fill up in this matrix. Okay, you can get overflows from your upline, overflows from your bottom. You can get people signed up, but basically, this is a whole long other video. First 2 payments go to the upline, then all these payments go to you. Each level gives you a different amount of payments. But once you fill this matrix all the way up, you 10 times your money. So that's all you have to remember. So keep getting people to sign up and you'll make the money. So, all right, I'm gonna be excited to see this start filling up. To show you how powerful this can be, I'm gonna go to my upline sponsor and blow you guys' mind on how much money this could actually make. So we log out and just go in view mode so I can view his account. A648, we're gonna go to view instead of login. Here you can see all his xGOLD slots are filled except for the last 3. I mean, come on, he's made 2.6 million and he hasn't uploaded the last 3 yet. I would. So, I mean, it is a lot. It's 61, over 61,000 to fill this last slot up. But if you got 10 times that, I mean, that's $500,000 back. But anyway, let me look here. He's cycled this 23 times. So 23 times he's made half an Ethereum here. So as you see, first 2 go to the upline. Then all the rest went to him. Everything's transparent. You can go and see every one of these on the blockchain if you wanted to. Actually, here's my transaction right here that I just did. See, it went to my upline right here. So you can go view every transaction that you want. So let's hit it and look, everything's verified on the blockchain. This is why Forsage is incredible. There is no hiding. There is no middleman. There's no one moving money around. Payments happen instantly with the contract and it goes directly to people's wallets. So the company disappears, you can still interact with the smart contract even without the web UI interface. It's a program that's going nowhere. It's going to keep growing. So, all right, so let me go back to my account. One of these days, I'm gonna get as big as him. Just need more people to sign up. So we're gonna get back in there. Go sign. I'm happy to see I finally got an xGOLD slot, and I'm looking forward to filling that up. So if you wanted more tips, you want to join my team, just go ahead and look at the description in this video, find the link, and love to work with you. If not, go ahead and have a great day, y'all. So till I catch you again. Bye-bye.